Hello and welcome to IABM TV. Today I'm joined by Andy Warman from Harmonic. Andy, welcome to IABM TV.
Thank you for having us.
Can you start by telling us what's new with Harmonic?
So at Harmonic at IBC, we're talking a lot about OTT solutions. A lot of what we're finding with our customers and the industry in general is a desire to move to cloud-based solutions, whether those are public cloud or private cloud. And also a lot of discussion around how people want to use solutions in the cloud. It's not just about the deployment environment, but the type of services they're looking for. Certainly from our point of view, there's a very strong desire to use more and more OTT. We've, at this point, deployed something in the region of 20,000 OTT channels, mostly using appliance-based solutions. But now the drive really is much more to do everything in software. And so the cloud offers a great vehicle for that.
Okay, so Andy, what sort of challenges are your customers facing and how are Harmonic helping with these challenges? In a lot of cases, people are looking for improvements in the way they deliver their OTT services. So actually a lot of our customers have solutions. They're looking to do it more efficiently, be able to address new capabilities such as the drive, for example, for linear UHD in OTT. So this is something we're introducing at this show, is that you can actually now deliver UHD experience via OTT for live services, not just VOD. So this is an example of the sort of things that we make possible. Also, because with our cloud solution, we not only provide encoding an OTT service, but we're adding things like playout capability into that. We're also changing some of the dynamics of how you produce your OTT content. You now don't have to provide live streams into the cloud, which will then deliver the OTT experience, but you can actually assemble programming in playout in the cloud and derive it that way. And so it's kind of an exciting opportunity to do things in a rather different way. Okay. And so can you give us a few examples of some of the types of customers that you're working with at the moment?
We have a variety of customers, from large telco type organizations all the way down to very niche specialized sports channels that maybe just do a few hours of programming a week for live football, soccer games in this example, and those kind of things. So it's a very broad spectrum of type of customers that are using this approach, or cloud-based solutions.
And so you must work very closely with your customers as well.
We do. One of the nice things about cloud is it allows a lot more autonomy for the end user, but what we spend quite a lot of our time doing is helping the customer understand their problems and finding the solutions that are going to work best for them. So it's more learning and to a certain degree educating, I suppose, but making sure they get what they need to deliver the right solution for their consumers.
Okay, and so Andy, can you talk to us about the involvement of both yourself and also Harmonic with AIMS and with SMPTE ST2110, and how all that's going? Yeah,
so Harmonic was actually one of the early companies to join, not the founders, but certainly we joined AIMS very early on. So we've been very active. I am actually the marketing working group chair for AIMS. I'm also on the AIMS board. So we have a lot of participation. So for example, this show, we're at the IP Showcase, we have, in this case, a video server for playback that supports the SMPTE 2110 standard. We have been involved in standards and specifications organizations like SMPTE and VSF and AMWare, etc. for a long time, so we are very active from that point of view as well.
And so the IP Showcase is quite a sight to behold. It's quite impressive. I went over there during setup, and it's almost more impressive to see it during setup as well, just seeing the amount of stuff that goes into it.
Well, this is the thing, is that I think we have something like there's 52 vendors, of which around about 40 are AIMS members taking part in that. And I wondered, at NAB time, could we actually beat the NAB IP Showcase? And it turns out, yes, by quite a lot. So it's very exciting actually to see so many vendors, but actually a growing number of end users. So our customers are actually becoming involved in AIMS and AIMS related activities because, obviously they want to take advantage of this technology.
And so the IP Showcase is something which we'll be seeing again, do you think, in future shows?
I think you'll see that idea will kind of carry on, yes.
And keep growing and growing and growing.
Exactly.
And so what's on the horizon for Harmonic then, Andy?
So I think, right now as I said, OTT is front and center. I think we see a lot of ongoing activity with that. We've certainly seen a huge amount of growth in the past year, something like 400% growth in revenue on OTT, specifically related business, which is very exciting. I think we'll see a continued growth in that area, but we innovate in other areas too. UHD is one. We've done some work in VR, for example. This move of more and more capabilities into the cloud, that's definitely something that there's a lot of momentum behind, so we'll continue in that front too. Obviously there's the element of education too, because almost all our customers are asking about software, cloud deployment, and so they want to understand how we can help them get there.
Okay, well, sounds very exciting. Andy, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.
You can find out more at harmonicinc.com.